the downpipe in me.
Balmain jeans and shirt, yeah. Brought a Balmain purse, yeah. On the front of a Balmain skirt. Oh my God. More e-pills, I don't even think they work. I don't even think they work.
Today we have a downpipe install. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get much footage from the install, guys, because I did have to drop off my car at the shop a day before just so I can have my car cool down, so it's easier to take off, you know, the studs and everything, so there's no issues with anything stripping or snapping or anything like that. So unfortunately, I didn't get too much video, but I have a lot of good content for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys a 6-speed manual pushing 400 wheel horsepower. Oh my God. And a white 24 DCTN. Guys, these things move and they sound insane. This car just sounds insane. When you put downpipes on this is the best 4-banger. I don't care what anyone says. This is the best sounding 4-banger in the world. I don't care what anyone says. This 4-banger is the best sounding. It has beautiful intake noises. It has amazing exhaust notes. The pops are aggressive as shit. I mean, it just sounds so good all around, bro. Guys, I can't wait till you see my setup with the catless downpipe mixed with stock exhaust. It sounds so deep and good.
Yep.
But anyway, guys, enough of my yapping. It's time to take you back to the date where this all happened. See you guys later. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you do drop a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next install. We have more parts on the way, boys. A lot of parts are on the way right now. Stay very tuned.
Pulled up all white Maybach, yeah, it came with some all red curtains. Whoa, I know your girlfriend way back. Yeah.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing an install video. No BS, boys. I know you guys see the box in the back. Whoosh Motorsports. Right now, I'm currently actually on the way to the shop to drop off my car so that we can get the parts installed. Just so you guys know, I do have one box here with me. Now, I'm sure I'll put it in the title and the thumbnail of what it is, so you already know what it is, but we do have 4 more parts coming for the end. 4 more parts right now on the way for the end. So make sure you guys do stay tuned. But like I said, we are on our way currently right now. And guys, I'm very nervous. Right now, we're going from our stock downpipe, which I don't know if the stock downpipe is 2.5 inches or 3 inches. If you guys can let me know down in the comments. But we're going from either a 2.5, 3-inch catted downpipe to a 4-inch catless downpipe. The car is going to be loud. But I mean, look at how big this box is, guys. Like, that is a f***ing big downpipe. Huh?
That's what I think.
For like, holy. Yeah, that looks
OEM plus.
No, facts. That's what it is. It looks wild. It looks really good. The studs look sick too.
Yeah.
Pretty bad now. Oh yeah, that's louder. Definitely louder. It sounds deep.
Yeah.
Holy
It's
shit.
gonna be smelly because it's catless.
Yeah, of course.
So get used to that smell.
Sick. This shit looks great. Oh my God. That's what I like to see.
It's the downshift boxes.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry. See, I just spin, bro.
Now the pops are wild.
It's like I don't even realize like how loud it is on the outside.
Oh my God.
That was only the 60.
How much pounds of boost?
So on here it says it maxes out at 20, but with my EK1 I'm pushing like 23 pounds.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
No box? Yeah, bro. This one's nasty.
Oh my. my God. Oh 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 my God What do these people think in their homes, bro?
They went inside because of you.
Sorry.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
This is literally just N75s over the shelf.
Over the shelf. This isn't over the shelf.
No pops, come on. That's why you see
Uzi Vert, it's Lil Uzi Vert, it's Lil Uzi Vert, it's Lil Uzi Vert, it's Lil Uzi Vert.
Alright guys, so now we have the downpipe on. So we're in normal mode. This is gonna be basically one of the first times that I've heard this thing. We're gonna drive it in the manual mode and see how insane it is. Alright. Oh, it sounds deep. Let's let off. Oh my. Jesus Christ. That was like 3,000 RPM. Woo! It's off at... God damn! Even the downshifts are popping now. Before, when I had the catted downpipe, there was no pops on downshifts. Or if it would, it'd be super, super quiet. Oh my God, that lady just gave me the most disgusting look I've ever seen before.
Disgusted. I swear to God, no!
Oh my God, I almost ran someone over.
Asshole. Really?
Oh my God, what the? This shit sounds ridiculous. Wait, what is going on? If I get an exhaust, this car is gonna be way too loud. It's not gonna make sense. I have my muffler and resonator. You guys gotta remember this. Alright, let's get a little pull here. Unfortunately, I can't do launch control because of the control light, but this shit is so loud. When I'm driving now, you can hear it. This sounds, I hope it's picking up on camera, but it is so much louder, guys. Like more than 2 times louder than stock. The downpipes are spicy. Oh my God. Look at that iguana over there. Look at that thing. That thing? There it is.
Someone get this jigaboo away from me.
That's Florida's finest. Hey dude, fuck you.
Oh wow.
Find a home.
Too hot. Too hot.
Oh man.
I'm in your house like my name Kyle Mass. Bitch, I'm
Oh my God.
big spice.
I'm having way too much fun.
Oh my God.
Next, we will be doing clips from the outside of the car so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like when I'm driving. It's ridiculous inside the car, so I can't imagine behind the exhaust. What are you doing?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my God. The Hell's Gauntlet's being unleashed. Oh my God. Yeah. This is insane. 10 out of 10. I do recommend. But anyway, let's go ahead and give you guys some clips outside of the car so you can see how loud this thing is when I'm driving on the road.
She tryna sing with us, yo. Standing in big. 100 hoes bikini shell. I told her come on, let do. She tryna sing with us, yo.